Hello everybody, I'm Radhika and welcome to Flipkart. Today I'm here to tell you more about the LG OLED 65B70 4K television. Friends, OLED is the most advanced display technology that has self-lighting pixels. Unlike regular LED TVs that are dependent on the backlight for image display, OLED TVs have their own self-lighting pixels to create their own light. This TV is undoubtedly one of the most sought-after televisions in this segment. So without any further ado, let's learn more about this amazing product. To begin with, this television has the most refined design in the market. It's much slimmer than LED TVs because the panel does not have many internal layers. LG has innovatively reduced the thickness of the screen by completely omitting the backlight. It's extremely thin, which makes it possible to attach it to the wall quite closely. This screen can perfectly blend in with your home decor due to its cutting-edge technology and sleek design concept. This television is 1,000 times faster than a normal LED TV in producing images. The transition between one frame to another is very smooth, giving you a seamless viewing experience. You can easily enjoy high-speed sport content or high-definition video games without any blur or distortion. This OLED TV supports the most advanced technologies of the world. It's compatible with Dolby Vision HDR for best picture quality and other HDR formats like HDR10, HLG, and SDR to HDR conversion. It is also deployed with the Dolby Atmos technology for cinematic sound experience. Unlike normal channel-based sound, this provides object-based sound, putting you right in the middle of the action. Let's check it out. This LG TV comes with the smartest operating system. Unlike any other platform which is originally designed for mobiles but used for televisions, the LG Web OS is specially designed for TVs to provide simple and easy to operate user experience. This OLED TV also comes with a magic remote. The magic remote can be operated from any corner of the room. It works like a mouse pointer so that you can experience utmost ease in operating this television. This remote is also universal in nature, and that means you can use just one remote control to control your TV and devices attached to your TV like your set-top box, home theater, soundbar, and many more. Friends, moving on, with this television, you not only get regular broadcasting content, but you can also experience richer 4K content through Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, along with local Indian content and movies through apps like Eros Now, Yup TV, Hungama, Sun Next, and many more. So friends, I think LG OLED 65B70 4K Smart TV gives you an unmatched and ultimate TV viewing experience with some really advanced features. I will give it a 2 thumbs up. Also, buying this television on Flipkart is a deal you should not miss, because on Flipkart you get quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.